Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Drew and we're watching Drew the Theme Park Dude. Welcome to part 2 of our Universal Studios Minecraft experience. And if you missed part 1 where we rode E.T., Revenge of the Mummy, and Back to the Future the Ride, that'll be linked down below. Today's video is going to be all around the studio tour, which is one of the main attractions here at this Minecraft park. And yeah, thank you all for the well reception of part 1, and that's why I'm doing part 2. And hopefully we'll get to do more so we can do this entire park. Because if you look at the map right here, there's a lot of stuff we still have to do, like Jaws and Jurassic World and King Kong. So here we go. We made it down these escalators, which actually work, which is really cool. And we are here at the entrance to the studio tour. So let's get on this tram right here. And wow, we have an actual tour guide. So this is pretty cool. Wow. So 16-minute long ride, so sit back and relax and enjoy. I'll be commentating and talking a little bit, but I also want to let the ride run a little bit. So yeah, here we go. Oh wow, so this is like the real life begin to the studio tour. Dracula, Frankenstein, the Mummy, some classic monster movies, Bride of Frankenstein. We have Woody Woodpecker right here, which is the icon of this park, which is pretty cool. The Wolfman, which is the Black Lagoon, Earthquake, Jaws, and yeah, we got much more of these different posters. We have like some old studio buildings, that's really cool. Recreation of the real life original studio buildings that look very similar to this.
Honestly, if you can think of a job, chances are someone with that job has worked on at least one movie with us here, or at least for a little while.
Wow, here we go. So, a neat thing about this studio tour that I saw is it actually goes through the park. So unlike, our studio tour in Hollywood, the real life one, it goes, in the back lot. This one actually goes through the park. So this is the Mummy right here. This is where we went in part 1. We walked around here. So that's really neat that they have this, in this version of the studio tour, it goes through the actual park. That's kind of cool. So yeah, here we go. We have Louis right there. We have where we entered the studio tours right there. That's where we started the video, so, yeah, kind of cool. Full loop circle moment.
This hilly town is famous for its tram system and infamous for its earthquakes. Most earthquakes are caused when two tectonic plates grind against each other.
So Earthquake, the first thing on the ride, which I believe is in this building. Only accessible by the studio tour, so they didn't make it like its own standalone ride. This is cool. Okay, here we go. Earthquake.
Speaking of which, I want to show you a little demonstration on how we make earthquakes in the movies. Now all they need to do is redecorate the scene whenever they want a different earthquake location.
This is cool.
Let's see it in action.
Okay. Let's see how it looks from this point of view.
Here we go.
Oh no, earthquake's coming. Oh, the roof just fell. Look at that. There's the truck up there that's going to slide down. Yep, just like real life. Oh, wow. Okay. It's on fire. Nothing really going on over here, but more of the roof falling. We can see part of New York Street up there. Let's see. Yeah. Well, now we got some fire going on over there. Lots of shaking. I like how the guide's like all scared. Oh, here we go. Train, oh no.
Watch out for that train.
Oh, it's going up off the track. Wow. Oh, and here comes the flood. This is really cool. That was a really good recreation of the real-life earthquake scene on the studio tour, and the ride that used to be at University of Florida. Here we go, we have Finnegan's right here. Favorite stay and scream location during horror nights. Then we have the ET ride right here, which we rode in part 1, which was really cool. So yeah, if you did miss part 1, like I said, it's going to be linked in the description. Very fun, a lot of great rides. So yeah. Okay. We have the globe right here. And we have the Monsters Cafe. This is where we were in part 1 as well.
You can see all of the classic monsters from our films, like Frankenstein's monster, Dracula, the Wolfman, and the creature from the Black Lagoon. And don't worry, they don't bite much. We're passing by the Universal Globe now. Right now it's missing something, though. I heard that Woody Woodpecker asked you to help find the missing letters and restore the globe.
So how do you get those letters is by doing mini games, and in part 1 we fought the mummy and failed, but you know, I kind of got an idea and I'll probably go back and try to get the rest of the letters. Oh, we're going fast. There's Shrek. Okay. Ooh, Skull Island, Reign of Kong. I don't think the studio tour is going to go through this though, because there's an actual ride that's, you know, they have an actual recreation of the ride in this park that we're going to be doing in a later video. Because the lower lot of the park actually is Jurassic World and King Kong, so I'll probably do a separate video where I just do the lower lot, because we still have to finish the upper lot. But this is a cool little preview. Wow, this is cool. Okay, we're taking the gate back into the park. So you can see right here, this is the facade to the ride. Very realistic to Islands of Adventures. Yep, that's the entrance. Wow.
I highly recommend stopping by the ride we have here, Reign of Kong. You can join Kate and her expedition team as they delve into the caverns and other lost places
really
to
cool.
uncover the secrets of Skull Island.
Here we go, the flash flood.
Now this area has something of a weird localized weather system, so I apologize for the rain as we... Hey, George, why don't you stop the tram? You can't go yet, right? No, I'm not asking the passengers to get out and push. Not in the rain. That's just...
Oh no! Wow, that's really cool. Well, you can see it's the green, so that means it's an electric tram. So that's cool. That's what Hollywood did recently, is they replaced all their trams to make them electric. Little cool Easter egg.
You might have also noticed the hidden pipes and sprinklers that are set into the roofs, trees, and telephone poles of the set, creating that lovely...
Here's the giant escalator that takes you to the upper lot and to the lower lot directly from Universal Studios Hollywood. Oh, here we go.
Up ahead, you can see a pair of
Oh,
magnificent
wow.
brachiosaurus relaxing at the edge of the lake.
That's really cool. That's an entire land. So they have the ride over here, and then I guess they have a bunch of other different areas to explore that I definitely want to check out in a later video.
Wait a minute, this isn't paddock 5. There's a 5 on the gate, right? Might have taken a wrong turn somewhere. Well, this equipment is busy. Just a reminder, folks,
Oh no!
keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
So we have this really cool dinosaur here.
Don't worry, everything is fine. We got a little too close for that.
So there's a train that actually goes by here. That's really cool. I wonder if it's rideable. I don't think so. Oh, wow. Oh, we got this guy. Oh, no. Ah. So very similar to real life Tram Tour that sprays you with water. Jurassic World was a really cool segment. A little short, but honestly nice, short, and sweet, just like the real life version. I think we're about halfway through the tour. We have a decent more to go through. Yeah. Ooh, Jaws is up next. So they do have a full Jaws ride, like I said, that I'm probably going to do at the end of the video, just to add it, because then we've completed the entire upper lot across parts 1 and 2. Oh, wow. Oh, this is like real life. I'm pretty sure someone's about to come out of that water right here. Yep, there's Jaws. Yeah, you can kind of see him there. That's cool. So yeah, just like real life. That's neat.
More of this.
And here's Back to the
Alright,
Future, the
one
ride.
of our last sites on this trip, the Institute of Future Technology, where Doc Brown works on his questionable inventions. There you can find his famous time-traveling machine, and I believe he's even letting people take rides through time in a new
Yeah, that was an awesome ride. That was my favorite ride by far in part 1. The other rides were great, but Back to the Future, the ride was, it's just, it was really cool. You know, because you'd think it's just a simulator ride, but in Minecraft, obviously you can't have screens, so they were able to actually make physical sets, and it was really cool. Oh wow, this is cool. I don't think I'm able to see him if I go first person, so I gotta see from here. Oh, he's sliding down. That's really cool. I don't think that's part of the actual studio tour, so that's neat. That's like a little original segment. Oh wow. Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he's doing it in the movie. I wonder if we're gonna see a DeLorean. Oh, yep, we got it. The DeLorean, no! Wow. That was really cool. That was neat, the DeLorean, yeah. I love how this park has a bunch of classic Universal stuff just all put together. I mean, we have Jaws, like I said, Back to the Future. Really neat.
You know I like it when you get my heart racing, but maybe leave the stunt driving to the professionals, okay? I'm not sure what that was, folks, but
This makes me wish we had a studio tour here in Orlando. At least we used to, but yeah, it's been a long time. Universal Monsters.
We're entering the
Ooh.
dark forest now, and here is our last stop on the trip, Little Europe and the Court of Miracles. Several of our monster movies were made here, at least in part.
Oh
Over
yeah.
there you can actually see a set of double doors that were used in... What's that sound?
Oh no, it's the bride.
Drive, George, drive!
It's the Bride of Frankenstein.
What was that?
That's cool.
Bride of Frankenstein's
Oh wow, look up there.
Look,
Frankenstein.
there he is, at the top of the windmill.
Oh no,
How did
it's
he
on
catch
fire.
I think he's trapped in there. Oh no, the poor thing.
Wow.
Just
I wonder
kidding.
how they did that with
Well,
like
when they
controlled
light
fire. I
windmills
guess
on fire,
some type of
it's
animation.
actually just special effects.
Just
They will put
special
out those
effects.
fires in a few minutes,
That's cool.
and there won't even be a singe on the structure itself. Now, just to be clear, because a lot of people forget
I
about
think that
the
is a
monster we
wrap
just
to
saw
the
is
studio
supposed to
tour.
be. And with that, we come to the end of our time together.
That was a really cool ride. Really fun. Very enjoyable.
Enjoy the rest of your
It was
day
cool.
and come back anytime to ride Universal Studios' world-famous studio tour.
I really enjoyed the studio tour. That was a really fun experience here at the park. Now we're going to head back up to the rest of the upper lot and experience Jaws. We have San Francisco. This is where we went in for Earthquake. We have Lombard Seafood. Let's go check this out. This is pretty cool. Yeah, it's a recreation of real life. That's neat. I wonder if you can get out of here. You can. Wow. I wonder if I can jump up here. I can. Okay, that's cool, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go this way, back out to the main park. Okay, here we go. Amity Island. So, we went this way to Back to the Future in the last video, which was a great ride, like I mentioned earlier. Jaws, here we go. We have the famous shark photo op, and this is the ride right here. So, there seems to be a mini game to scuba dive. We'll probably do that later. I actually want to ride the ride though, so let's head over here. Get on the ride. Pulling up to the attraction and let's hop on.
Welcome everybody and happy
Oh, this is
4th
cool.
of
Just like the
July.
studio tour, we
I'm
have
on
a
board.
guide
I'm
here
Zane.
on
Welcome
the
aboard.
attraction. Some nice jolly music playing. I'm sure that's going to change very
Well, I know
fast.
that our town's got a little bit of a reputation, but don't you worry about anything because we have come equipped with a TNT launcher. Woo!
Oh, wow.
But we won't be needing it. No one's seen a great white around here in 49 years, so we're gonna be fine. We'll be fine. Now let me just check in with Base, make sure everything's clear to go. Base, are we clear to go?
This is Base. You are clear for departure, Amity 6. Have a good trip.
Excellent.
That's cool.
Whoop. Give me a second.
Because if you guys do not know, in Universal Studios Florida,
There,
Jaws
off we go.
is where used to be where Gringotts is now, and Diagon Alley. It still exists in Universal Studios Japan, which I'd love to get out to that park sometime in my life. And yeah, but for now we can experience it here in Minecraft.
All right, everybody, welcome to Captain Jake's Amity Boat Tours. We are the best and only scenic boat tour on the island. And we'll be visiting the actual spots where back in 1974, the beast we call Jaws devoured all those poor islanders. Now, the first item of interest over on your port side is the home of our very own chief of police, Martin Brody. After blowing up that monster of a shark, he became a legend in his own time. By the way, in that movie they made
Some
about
great
our little
recreation.
shark episode.
73. Something's out there. I don't know what, but it's already.
Oh, I wonder what's out there. Let's see. Let's see if we can see a shark. I think this ride's probably best from this point of view.
Oh, no. Base, this is Amity 6. Amity 3 is sinking by the lighthouse. I repeat,
no.
Amity 3 is sinking, and I don't see any sign of the crew
There's
or
the life
passengers.
vest.
I don't know what could have done this except...
Amity 6, repeat that.
Oh, there he is.
Shark!
Ah.
Oh, my... Base, he's under the boat. What do we do?
Stay calm. Try the TNT launcher. Over.
Really?
Oh no. See if we can hit him. Did we get him? I don't think so. Oh no, here we go.
This is Amity 6. Tell Chief Brody we're gonna hide in the boathouse until we get help. We'll be safe in there in the meantime. Everyone okay? We're okay. We're gonna be okay. Let's see. Where can we tie up? Hello? Anybody in here? Did you hear something? Come on. We gotta go. Come on, old girl. Come on. We gotta go. Come on. Hold on.
Oh no.
I got this. There. All right. Off we go. No. Look out.
Oh, there he is, right there. Came through there. Wow.
Amity 6.
Okay, we're getting out of there. Oh.
On my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? We're gonna be shark bait in 10 minutes. All right, guys. I don't see him. But
Oh, there he is. See, did you get him?
Oh, this is bad.
Oh.
Oh, this is very bad. Come on, guys. We gotta get away from this gas dock. Gotta go for it.
Oh no, we're going through.
Here we go. Hang on tight. Come on.
And we're
Looks like we
good.
made it. Hold tight, everyone. We should be okay. Yeah, I don't see him anywhere. I think that's the last we'll see of him.
Yeah, I think he spoke too soon.
We're gonna try and get off of that old fishing shack and get off one row at a time. Everyone, for now, just stay seated and keep your hands in the boat.
Oh no. We're passing the dock. Oh, there he goes.
Come on.
Oh wow.
I think I got it. Does anyone see it?
Oh yeah, we got him, definitely.
Short. Oh,
Wow.
that's disgusting. But we roasted him. What a
Yay.
day.
That's cool.
Amity 6, what was that? Where the heck are you? This is Brody. Are you all right?
Yeah, Chief. This is Amity 6. Call off the Marines. We are coming home.
Wow, that's neat.
Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank you all for your incredible bravery today. For
Really
that
fun.
shit for Captain Jake.
Yeah.
And a lot of the other
Had
businesses
a
around here, so
Great
just
time riding the
yourself.
studio tour and Jaws in
After
today's
all.
video.
We did get him, didn't we?
And yeah, we got him.
Ah,
Woohoo.
yeah, we did.
There we go.
Well, on behalf of Captain Jake and Universal Studios, thank you for helping me conquer Jaws. I'll see you next time.
Okay, well, that was a really cool ride, like I said. And now we have to still do the lower lot, like I said, with Jurassic World and King Kong. But until then, thank you guys so much for tuning in to part 2. And if you missed part 1, like I said, it will be linked down below in the description. So make sure you check that out. I hope everyone has a great day, everyone. See ya. Bye.